everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this class we'll discuss difference of sets, and the previous class we have discussed union of set, intersection of set, and disjoint of sets. So we can check out these videos. So what is difference of sets? The difference of sets are the of set A and B in this order is that the set of element which is belong to A but not B. Okay, the difference of a set is a new shade that is called A minus B, and the element should be what? The element should be belong to A but not B. Okay, if we say A minus B, but if we say B minus A, then the element should be belong to B but not belong to A. Okay, if we say C minus D, then the element should be belong to C but not belong to D. So this is basically B minus A, C minus D, and A minus B. And simple, these are read as A minus B. Simple. So if I take some example, A 1, 2, 3, and B is what? B is suppose 3, 4. Simple. Then if you want to find A minus B, then what is the result? So A minus B means what? Element which belong to A but not belong to B. So means basically we have to subtract remove all the element of B from A. Means 3 is common here. So you have to subtract 3. So common element between A and B you have to subtract. Then we got 1 and 2, that is belong to A but not belong to B. His answer will be what? 1, 2. Clear? So basically, so this is the concept. So when you solve the sums based on these difference of the sets, we'll understand the better concept on difference of the set. Now let us understand what is the Venn diagram, the representation of the set. So A minus B. So suppose this is universal rectangular set, universal set, and this circular set is B, A and B, subsets of U, universal set, and this is whole is entire one is A, and this is B. So you have to subtract element which is belong to A but not belong to B. So see, A, this set is entered, is overlap with B. This portion means you have to remove this portion. Means we'll got actually this kind of figure. Okay, so this is actually what? This is actually A minus B. Got it? So this is actually A minus B. So this portion will say A minus B. So B, the element of B should be removed. Okay. So now there is some note. So A minus B not equal to B minus A. Obviously, so if we talk about B minus A means the portion the element which is belong to B but not belong to A. Means if we represent B minus A means this portion, this portion, the entire portion, in this portion will be B minus A. This is the B minus A. And this portion is A intersection B, common portion. So we have to remove this common portion. Then we will get this is A minus B and this is B minus A. Okay. Now, second note is that A minus B and A intersection, this will be intersection B, and B minus A are mutually disjoint set. That is, what is mutual disjoint set? Disjoint set you already know. There will be when you perform intersection between two sets, there will be answer 5, means null set. Intersection of any of these set, among these three set, if we intersect these two set, any of these two set will get null set. Clear? So means this portion is A minus B, in that portion it is A minus B, and that is A intersection B, and that portion is B minus A. So if we take A minus B and A intersection B, is there any common element? No, there is no common element, means null set. This one and this one, if I take intersection, no common element. This one and this one is, if we take, then no common element, means that's why they are mutually disjoint set. Clear? Next, we'll solve some sums based on this concept, difference of set. So how to find difference of set? So here it is given A, B, C, D, 4 set is given. We have to find this result. So A minus B equals to, so set A, if I write set A is what, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay, minus set B 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, then now we have to subtract the element of B from A. Element of B from A. So we have to see which element is contained in A. Which element of B is contained in A. 4, there is 4, no. 8, no. 12, yes, 12. So you have to remove this one. 16, no. And 20, no. So means the result will be what? 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. The element which belong to A but not belong to B. So this is the result. Next, number 2. A minus C. Okay. So A minus C. So first we'll write the element 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus C. C is what? C is 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay. We have to find A minus C, means element which belong to A but not belong to C. Means basically we have to remove the element present in C from A. So 2, is there any 2? No. 4, is there any 4? No. 6, is there any 6? Yes. So you have to remove this one. 8, no. 10, no. 12, yes. So you have to 14, no. And 16, no. There is, so you have to basically remove 6 and 12. So we'll get 3, 9, 15, 18, 21. Clear? So this is A minus C basically. Next. So means for first two sums I write these all things, but that is the actual representation of these maths in your exam copy, or you have to write like this. Okay. Otherwise you cannot get any marks. A minus D. So here A is this element and D is element. So I am writing here in this question, but you have to represent in this way only. So A minus D. So means the element of D should be removed from A. So 5, there is 5, no. There is 10, no. There is 15, yes. So 15 should be removed, and 20, no. So means we'll get 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 will be removed, 18, 21. Means the element, this is the element of A, but no element is present of D. Next, question number 4. So means B minus A. B minus A. Yes. So B, so means the element present in B but should not belong to A. So B is this one and A. So means element of A should be removed. 3, is there any 3? No. 6, is there any 6? No. 9, no. 12, yes. 12 is there, means it should be removed from B. 15, no. 18, no. 21, no. So we have to copy from the element of B, and we have to remove the element of 8, element of A. So 4, 8, 12 should be removed, 16 and 20. So these are the value of B minus A. Next, 5 number C minus A. C minus A. Okay, I am writing directly the answer, but you have to do as question number answer 2 and 1 and 2. C minus A means we have to remove element of A from C. So C is the element and A. So 3 is there, no. 6 is there, yes. So you should eliminate this one. 9. So 9, no. 12, yes. And 15, no. 18, no. Okay. So we have to write 2, 4, 8, 10, 14, 16. This is the value. Next, 6 number. D minus A. D minus A. So we have to copy D here and A here. Then you have to compare to the result. So D, we have to remove element of A from D. D is there and A is there. So 3, is there any 3 in D? No. 6, is there any 6 in D? No. 9, is there any 9 in D? No. 12, no. 15, yes. So you should remove this one. 18 no, 21 no. So means we'll get 5 comma 10 comma 20. Okay, this is the value of D minus A. Next 7. B minus C. B minus C. Okay. So B is that this one 4. So we should remove element of C from B. So C 2. 2, is there any 2? No. Is there any 4? Yes. So we should remove this one. And 6, no. 8, yes. You should remove this one. 10, no. 12, yes. You should remove 12. And 14, yes. 14, no. 16, yes. So means we have to remove this one. We get only 20. So B minus C answer will be 20. I hope you understand this concept. So the rest of the sums is for your homework. So if there is any doubt, you can comment, and I'll solve these sums on another video. Next question number 10. So x a b c d and y f g, this is f b d g given. We have to find x y. Let's solve. So first one, x minus y. Okay. So means basically we have to remove the element of y from x. So we have to find f. Element of y is f. So we have to find, is f is present in x? No. B is present? Yes. So you have to remove this one, b. Okay. D, yes, D is present. G not present. Means x minus y will be a comma c. Okay. So only the element belong to x but not belong to y. Next. 2 y minus x. Y minus x. Okay. So now we'll remove the element of x from y. Element of x from y. Okay. So a is there? No. B is there? Yes. D is there. So B, D. So means answer will be what? F comma G. So that's why we have, again we can conclude that x minus y not equal to y minus x. In the note form we have learned, but here also again we have proved x minus y not equal to y minus x. Okay. Next, third number, x intersection y. X intersection y. So means we have to take common element of x and y. So what are the common element? B and D. Okay. So this is the answer. B and D is the intersection, result of intersection of x and y. Okay, next 11 number question. So 11 number question says that if R is the set of real numbers and Q is the set of irrational number, then what is the R minus Q? Okay. So R is what? Basically R is the combination or union of rational number and irrational number. Means you can say combination of rational number and irrational number. Okay, so R the set of this number system made of rational number and irrational number. Okay, so you can write R equals to rational number set union irrational number set. So if I do R minus Q, means we have to remove the element of Q from R. Means we have to remove the rational number set. Okay, then we will get only irrational number. Means the answer will be what? Irrational number. Set of irrational number. Irrational number we will get. Yeah. Okay. So we have done all the sums in this exercise, and I hope you understand all the concept of these videos. Revisit these videos again and practice this video for better understanding. If there is any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. I will handle your doubt. Till then,